You can't do this. She's your daughter. For my daughter, I couldn't do it either. She's not. I don't know if God is a part of this or not, but I think maybe the reason that I'm here is doing what you are unable to do.
Stop. Dad, I don't want anyone else to die.
You too.